Hey, it's Joy. It's been another 4 months or so since my last update on our community EV charger project. When I updated in November 2023, and it was actually episode 10 of this entire series, and we're heading to our third year now in 2024 of this project. Our SCE account manager told us that our transformers were wired in an unconventional manner. So that raised a lot of issues and difficulties in getting the infrastructure upgrade design approved. And at one time, we were not sure if this was actually even going to move forward at all because it sounded pretty bleak. Nonetheless, our HOA office manager and I have been diligently following up with SCE, and I wanted to provide a quick update for you all. So on December 21st, we heard back from our account manager who told us that due to the unconventional way the existing transformers were wired together, it took multiple crew visits, field visits, to determine and confirm the correct voltage being served to our site. Now that they have confirmed the voltage, thank goodness, their planning team is figuring out a way to feed the proposed panel by utilizing the existing transformer structures. So that sounded pretty hopeful. And then, of course, the holidays came. We kept following up, and there was no update until mid-January when our account manager replied to us and said, the SCE design is currently just waiting on a standards deviation to be reviewed and hopefully approved, fingers crossed. They could not leverage the proposed structure without getting approval to deviate from the SCE design and construction standards. Okay, I get that part. Once they get feedback on that, they can determine whether or not they're able to move forward with this project. It's just an additional service, so our account manager was really hoping that they could get the green light. After the review is complete, which should get approved, he sounded pretty hopeful there. Based on the project manager's response, they will have a better idea of timelines to get started on the infrastructure upgrade. And they will let us know as soon as they have another update for us. So then another month went by. We followed up, still nothing. And finally, on February 21st, our project manager actually responded to us and said that they just received word yesterday on the 20th of February that all reviewing managers have approved the deviation. Thank goodness. They have given their planning team the green light to move forward with this project, and they expect the TND, which is transmission and distribution design, to be completed no later than the end of March. Once the project manager receives that design back, he will be able to upload the designs into the customer portal for our review. So there seems to be light finally at the end of this tunnel, this 3-year-long tunnel that we've been going through to finally get these level 2 Blink chargers installed, hopefully by the end of 2024. So this is the latest update. Thank goodness that they were able to figure out the design of the proposed charger site and that they were able to approve the deviation from the design standard due to the age of our property, which is going on 51 years this year in 2024. So fingers crossed, prayers going up that by the end of March, we will get that infrastructure design back for our review and approval. And then once that's approved on our end, SCE will be able to start pulling permits, and they'll be able to start the actual on-site construction of the charging infrastructure upgrade. And then after that's done, we will be able to install the Blink Level 2 chargers at the proposed site. I am just exhausted at this point, really, to be working on this project, but I am so happy to hear that this is finally moving forward. Yay! So anyway, like I said, a quick update, and I will be back hopefully in April and give you another update. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and God bless you.